You may think that animals are intelligent, but that is a misconception. In reality, they can perform some tasks that they are adapted to do even better than humans. However, the questions are animals smart is still a topic of debate among researchers. Some of the opinions that animals can respond to specific stimuli, while others claim that these creatures are genetically awarded particular useful instincts and are not capable of doing anything more. But what is the truth? What is the claim that we should believe? Well, it isn't that simple. Intelligence is a complex concept, and the answer varies according to different perceptions. The problem with animals is that their intellect can't be measured quantitatively. You can't get them to take tests or compare them with their peers. Researchers then designed tests to measure the animal's cognitive abilities, but they couldn't find the right answers. And after a lot of trial and error, they realized that the mistake they were making was testing animals using tasks that only humans can perform. Once they evaluated each species for particular behaviors that the animals understood, they were able to identify their intelligence. So, what species are the smartest? We have all heard of the cleverness of the fox and the intelligence of dolphins. Now, generally, you may view dogs and cats smarter than birds, reptiles, and even insects. But though it may surprise you, but birds are one of the smartest creatures in the world. Our feathered companions are intelligent and can adapt to new conditions and environments. A practical example of this is the fact that the bird cover distance of up to 44,000 miles during migration for the sake of food and other resources. They have proportionally large brains. To analyze the intelligence of birds, we can consider the brain size and structure. Studies have shown that their brains are bigger as compared to the small bodies. Furthermore, the different regions of a bird's brain have higher connectivity than rest of the mammals. Well, to be personally, I'm not surprised. The way my body mimics every time that we say around him speaks a lot about its intelligence. But that is just one example. Many other observations testify this claim. For instance, the woodpecker finches cut sticks into appropriate lengths to use them as tools for hunting insects, or the carrion crows that place nuts on the road so the incoming cars may crush the shells. Well, there are about 18,000 species in the world, so let's have a look at 10 of the most intelligent birds that made it to the list.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
First one we have crows. The US has more than 30 million of them, yet the animals don't get appreciation they deserve. Many of us consider them creepy, but they're among the smartest creatures in the world. Crows are capable of solving complex problems. Their brain is almost the size of a thumb. Studies shown that they are capable of counting up to five, creating customized tools for their use and remember faces. Researchers observed this phenomenon by taking scans of their brain and that showed that they could identify people who seemed friendly or dangerous or memorize their faces. The entire Corvidae, a family that includes crow, ravens, jays, and rooks, have social structures that they are highly complex. They share information among the whole group and then make decisions. They're also capable of building strong bonds with humans. Another on the list we have key. This bird is one of the cleverest among all the species and is known for its antics. Key is a type of parrot that originates from New Zealand. Although keys are friendly and playful, they have a reputation for being notorious when it comes to stealing. The keys trouble people and have a habit of destroying cars and equipment. However, they have outscored animals such as gibbons and apes on some intelligence tests. Another study revealed an unusual characteristics of non-human creatures that Key demonstrated. In a task where one bird had to wait for another partner for over a minute to work together and release food, the Keys showed remarkable intelligence and teamwork. It revealed their ability to determine when they needed to work as a team and wait for a cooperative partner. Another we have cockatoos. These lively birds belong to a family of parrots and are not just smart but affectionate. Cockatoos have excellent speech abilities and can imitate the sounds and words they hear. Researchers revealed that they are more intelligent than 4-year-old children, as a study showed that cockatoos could recognize an object that is hidden. Further, they can track the same item if you place it in a different location. In fact, their ability of object permanence is higher than a 4-year-old. If you are keeping one as a pet, make sure to provide plenty of entertaining toys in the cage. Next, we have macaw. The macaws are not just full of colors, but also have a vibrant personalities. They may seem funny and entertaining, but are quite intelligent, playful, and affectionate. They're parrots, and that belongs to any of one of the six genera, with the largest being of about 4 feet long. An analysis of a sequence of the genome of the macaque showed that the genome had DNA bases, which is one-third of what mammals have. They can perform magic tricks and have excellent cognitive abilities. Another we have African gray. Greys are famous for their talking abilities. They mimic our sounds of words and pick up on it quickly. They can learn up to 200 words and even more and can imitate sounds or animals to scare predators away. But that isn't all. And according to a study, these parrots have excellent reasoning skills, which can find hidden food by using their detection skills. Human children develop this ability to 3 years of age, and the African kid may consider smarter than the 3-year-old. Another member of the Corvidae family, the ravens, are among the world's most intelligent species. Ravens are known to work in teams while hunting food as one partner distracts the parent while the other attacks the newborn. Studies also reveal that ravens can plan for the future, that the researchers observed that the birds kept the tools aside that they thought would be beneficial for them later. They also have their unique calls for addressing other ravens and have excellent memory skills. They can recognize each other 5 years of separation. Continuing with nutcrackers. They're related to crows and jays, and undoubtedly the family has some of the most intelligent birdies. The nutcrackers are also famous for their memory and acknowledgement of their surroundings. During the summer season, they collect massive amounts of pine seeds for winter and bury them over an area of 200 square miles. They remember all the locations, that can be about 3,000, where they store these seeds. They're also smart enough to count numbers. Among a green pile of seeds, the nutcrackers also choose to be one of the higher quality of seeds. Another we have jays. Different species of jays are the members of the family, such as blue, Eurasian, the Californian scrub, to name a few. The Eurasian jay is smarter than knows how to impress his mate. He gets gifts for the mate and that too precisely what the mate most likely wants. The scrub jays are planners who think about the future. For instance, they will decide what they want to eat for breakfast the next day, find the food, and store it. The captive blue jays are smart and use paper from the bottom of cage to create tools that they can help reach the items outside the enclosure. Recent research also reveals that the ability of jays to mimic familiar sounds and can imitate humans as well. Magpie. They are the only birds to pass the mirror test. The test is the method of gauging how self-aware a creature is. In the experiment, a mark or sticker is applied to the animal in a spot they can't see. They are then made to stand in front of a mirror. The bird scratches the mark and tries to remove it. It's an indication that they are self-aware. The Eurasian magpie successfully passed it. They're also known to perform well in the game of hide and seek. Their performance is on par with 4 or 5 years old. They're also social and can hoard any shiny objects. Rooks. Another member of the crow family, the rooks have exceptional task-solving skills. They can solve the Aesop's fable task where a crow has to drink water from a partially filled pitcher. The talented rooks also uses the same technique that's employed by the crow in the book and to drink the water. They also uses and even build a tool as a study conducted at the universities of Cambridge and Queen's Mary revealed that their crooks always choose the correct type of tool when presented with a problem to solve in a set of instruments. That's all this for today. Till next time.